Sometimes the best thing you can do is to keep your mouth shut and open your ears. The truth will come out at the end than you want to prove people you are right. Sometimes you are wasting your energy. Other people, they don't believe you, or maybe someone lied to you about something and you are angry. You want to prove them that that person is lying. So to keep your mouth shut is the best thing. The truth will come out at the end, because sometimes when you try to prove something that you are a right person, you are wasting your time. People, they have to stay with their truth. If they believe that you are a bad person, yes, they can believe it. Or maybe there is something you did wrong, someone is lying to you, yes, they have to stay with that side. But the truth will come out at the end than to waste your time. You want to prove right to people that I'm a right person. Sometimes you are wasting your time. You want to prove to other people. The truth will come out at the end. It's not about lies will last forever. There is something will come and people, they will end up trusting you. That person was right at that time, because other people, guys, they want to lie, especially at work. Some of the colleagues, they hate you. They can lie with something that you don't did. So it's better to keep your mouth shut and the truth will come out at the end.